Today, as we continue our epic 60-day road trip, we're facing a new challenge, a blistering heat wave. It's seriously hot out here, folks, and as we head towards Bowling Green, Kentucky, with plans to explore the cool depths of Mammoth Cave, we're on the hunt for some relief from the heat. Where in Kentucky will be our oasis today? Join us to find out and let us know how you beat the heat during your summer travels. Let's go. Wake up and we find receipts that we forgot to tell you all about. This is from Indiana. Oh, I think I might have gotten this one, did I?
I think you did it in the video, but somehow I had it back in my purse.
$99.84 for all that. Are you looking for a great Airbnb to stay at in Maysville, Kentucky? We are in this one right here, which is really cool. It looks like a historic type of building, so I want to take you guys for a full tour. But you got a keypad right here that you use to enter. You have this really cool staircase right here, which I'm going to take you guys down there in just a minute. Let's do the top floor first. And over into here, this is where my wife and I slept. This was an awesome bed right here. And then we have a little closet area right here. They do have an air mattress up here. Then you walk into the kitchen and dining room right here. You have a nice, a 4-person table, but there's another table through the room right there, which I'll show you all in just a minute, that has another table with a couple of chairs in there, so that was great. You got this nice big Whirlpool fridge right here, so we were able to kind of stock everything. Oh, I gotta mention, whenever we arrived, they left us a little gift as well, right on that front table that I'm about to show y'all. Some sparkling water.
We have one of these.
And a Riesling. You like that grapefruit juice?
Yeah.
Moving in here, this was that extra room that I was telling you about with the table. And so one of those chairs we just took and moved from here to there so that we could fit our family of 5 at the table over there. And then you have your big, giant living room right here. And this thing was great. We got some, picked up some Legos for the kids to play with while we're having downtime. And they just got a chance to spread out all over the floor right here and do all the Legos. Go back down the stairs now that I told you guys about. Y'all are probably wondering where the bathroom is, huh? Well, I'm about to show you guys. Hang on. You gotta come down these stairs. They kind of wind down to the side here. You'll see a door to the side underneath this area right here, which was super cool. This is where the bathroom is. I've never seen a bathroom like underneath or on the side of the steps before, so I thought that that was kind of cool. So you have a nice deep tub right here. There's plenty of room to be able to take a nice soothing bubble bath if you want to. Here it is, just a 1-bathroom place, so be prepared for that. Now we're gonna continue all the way down the steps. You come into this room here. I don't really know what to think about this room because there's already a living space upstairs, so it's kind of like another living space. What y'all think about this room? It was a quiet room? We didn't use it? Yeah, it didn't really get used that much. And then this is the room that the kids slept in.
I slept so good.
So good. Jock, you slept good? Boom, yep. Oh yeah, I forgot to show you guys what's beyond the doors, because there's this one here and there's one upstairs. We're gonna get to that in just a minute. But there's also this laundry/utility room, and this probably is where this Airbnb gets bad reviews, and I don't think that they should, because a laundry room doesn't need to be that clean in my opinion. And so it kind of leads to like I don't know if this is like a basement area. We don't have basements where we live in Louisiana. It's just kind of like a utility room. They have stuff in here, and this is where the laundry facilities are. It's a nice Maytag double stacked laundry right there, and it works extremely well. It's just down here with the air conditioner and the water heater and all this extra storage type of stuff. I just wanted to show you guys that they do have laundry facilities here, which work really well. So let me show you guys this. Let me show you all, well, no, let's do this one first, because the one upstairs is even better. Then we need to talk about parking too, because that's another issue. So keep watching. This right here is a nice little balcony area. And it is super nice to be able to come out here and just enjoy that morning sun or that evening sun coming down on you. You'll notice that we were on this balcony right here, and it's covered because look, way up there. Let's go up there. Come on. It's a double balcony place. And there's this door right here that you can simply unlock, and then you come out to your top balcony. So we were here for the 4th of July.
The fireworks were incredible.
They do a fireworks show like right above where the steeple is and this tree is. They pop a whole bunch of fireworks right there. So now let's go talk about parking as we walk back through the front door, because This is probably the hardest part about this Airbnb. The parking situation is not that great. Yes, there is parking, but it's, watch, let me show you guys. So we're on this hill right here, as you can see, and there's cars coming all the way down. So whenever you park, this is our van right here. You have to park all the way at the end of this street right here. Sometimes the parking is available and sometimes it's not. So you might have to park down this hill, which is one thing that we had to do one time. So it makes it tough because whenever we travel, we carry like this big giant food bucket, we carry an ice chest, so a lot of heavy things, and to have to move it all the way from over there to over there was a little bit tough, especially since you're in Kentucky and it's very hilly. There's a whole bunch of steps that you have to go through as well just to get over there. So that is probably the biggest flaw about this place. And I didn't realize that parking was gonna be like that whenever we got here, but we were able to make it work. It wasn't like a deal breaker for us or anything. If you guys are looking to come to Maysville and y'all wanna check this place out, definitely give it the look. We had a great time here, definitely recommend it. Travelers, we are packing up, moving out of Maysville. We're gonna go down to Bowling Green, Kentucky now, which is right outside of Mammoth Cave, because tomorrow we're gonna go exploring Mammoth Cave, and that should be awesome. Since we did Carlsbad last year, I'm kind of curious to see how Mammoth Cave compares to Carlsbad Caverns. You got all the Legos? Yeah. Okay. Tell brother and sister to find a good spot for the Legos. 3 hours and 30 minutes.
Yeah, it's not really bad.
Not too bad. Let's go. Found a park to stop at in a town called Elizabethtown, I think is what it's called.
Elizabeth?
And it looks pretty awesome. You had a friend named Elizabeth? Elizabeth. Elizabethtown, Kentucky. It is 92 and feels like 100 because of the heat wave. Oh, I gotta get some shade. You having fun? Oh, I don't do that. Whoa, you gonna go? Whoa. No, you get under the bucket. Go, mama, go. Yay. Made it to our hotel. Let's check in. Hello. Had a reservation.
Last night?
4 night?
Yeah.
Thank you. 4:23. Great. And what time is breakfast at in the morning?
From 6 to 10.
Great. Thank you so much. Alrighty, looks nice in there. Heatwave is intense.
Bring in the Lego tub.
Yeah.
So the temperature here is 98, but it feels like 108. And it looks like it's going to be around for a long time. It stops at the mountains though, and that's where we're headed next. So that's exciting. So we're staying at this TownePlace Suites by Marriott. Rock, paper, scissors, phone cord.
Like this?
Yep. Put it up against that. Oh, all right. Air conditioning.
Cold, actually.
Yeah, I know, it feels good. TownePlace Suites a couple of weeks ago, so we know what they look like. We did not pack a hotel bag, and because we're staying here for 2 nights, we probably could have packed a 2-night hotel bag so that we probably wouldn't have to take like half this. But we'll do that next time. All right. So since it was so hot with that heat wave that's coming through here, we decided to come to the pool and go swimming. You had fun?
Yeah.
Yeah. We did some racing. I beat her just about every time, so right now she's practicing going back and forth. But now Jacques and I are hanging out outside talking about video games. Huh? Video games? So what's your favorite video game right now?
Oh, that's a hard one. The hard decision between Roblox and Minecraft.
Roblox and Minecraft. I know nothing about either of those. That wasn't invented whenever I was little. I played Mario Kart on the Super Nintendo. Yeah! Add that to our montage of yeah phases. Yeah! Krista went to the store. Let's see how much money she spent on groceries. Gonna hide that ice cream right there?
Hide it all. It's front and center.
Was it expensive?
Same price as like $5.50.
Okay.
Dad, what was your special treat?
You got a special treat? What is it?
I love my pineapple.
Ooh, that looks yummy.
Yeah, also there's fruit juice in there.
Ooh, that sounds yummy.
There were 10 for 10. Only got one for me, one for him.
Yeah, yeah.
Whenever I can get him to like, this is a special treat.
Right, yeah, that's a good
That's
one.
a win.
Yep.
Do we have others?
$125.45.
Did you buy other things?
Nope, that's it.
No, the stuff-
Ice cream.
Because Mom went to the store with Beckett. But we did get ice cream. And we gotta eat a lot of it. Click this video right here if you guys want to continue the adventure with us.